guys, Max and Josh from Dodgy Dailies here, and I broke the van. It's basically, I was working on the Hilux. The Mazda's obviously not on the road, and I got the wrong parts for the Hilux, of course. So I was driving the van around, and I did a sneaky little of the tyres, and yeah, and then I drove out of it, coming up the street, shifted into third and realised I couldn't find it, and then I tried to find the rest of the gears and they all weren't there. So we're finding out whether I snapped the shifter cable, shifter linkage, or screwed the gearbox, one of the 600 options. So we're just jacking up the van now. Oh, that's good, it's back on the ground a little bit.
Yeah.
Is that as high as those stands go?
It's on the axle. Yeah.
I mean, there is a chassis rail under there somewhere.
I'm just gonna... It's up high enough for me to get under it, and 3 wheels are on the ground again, so... Just gonna...
Yeah, but once we put the stand under the chassis here, drop it, and then put the front up, it should...
What stands you got again?
The 2 there, and then the Hilux, which I've got to get off stands. Okay, it's your life, not mine.
You know where the mat for the beam went?
No, I was using the Honda's boot mat today. Oh yeah, I bought a Honda Civic because it was 800 bucks and I needed a car to get to work in. It's a pile of shit and I'm not going to bother recording it, but you know, I got a Honda Civic.
All the tyres on it.
Huh?
All the tyres on it.
I didn't do that. I think my lawnmower did that. Speaking of tyres...
How did your lawnmower put tyres on the mat?
Not a clue. I got the new tyres for the drifting session, which we should be going to Rayleigh, Xmas Matsuri, on the 4th we leave, and then the event's on the 5th and we'll be leaving on the 6th. So, just got myself some cheap brand new Rapids, that's the number. Yeah, no, ended up being about 400 bucks shipped to the house, all 6 of them, so yeah.
Of course, it's no better than the ground at the moment. I was hoping it was at least dry in the middle.
Well, surprisingly, it was in the rain. Hey look, a block of wood. Just realised I have a block of wood.
I feel like that plug should be connected to something.
There's about 7 plugs that should be connected to something. I'm assuming one of them is to the this right here that I'm zooming in on. That's the oil pressure, the oil level sensor.
Oh
there.
yes, it is. That's the plug for...
As the camera does not focus.
Way too far up the car right now. I'm looking at the engine. I thought I was looking at the I need to be further down.
The transmission's there, my friend.
Back here. What's it? Oh.
Good or bad?
We just need a nut.
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God.
Oh, actually, I think there might be another half to it, but...
It's not inside the trans, which is what matters.
So, where are we looking here, guys? Okay, there. So we've got... It looks like there might be another half to a bush that's meant to be there, but somehow we've shifted the nut off. Put that back on, and while I'm under here though, I'm just gonna slip it into a gear. Oh no, it is in a gear. I can't move it. Yeah, so we'll head off to the wreckers and we'll go see what we're missing from there.
I just realised.
I feel like there's bits missing, but like I feel like we could just... No, we need to get it because it's a ball joint type thing.
Yeah, they use the same bell housing as the manual on the Oh, it is a manual.
It is a manual.
Look, we've
But-
got a hole for the fucking...
Yeah,
So
I'll
you can
give
undo
you...
the fucking torque converter, that one, the auto.
Oh, yep.
Or am I just talking dumb shit?
No.
Now that Josh is falling asleep under the van.
Yeah, I forgot we cable tied the springs in.
I mean, Josh. It says dodgy for a reason. Alright, so we'll, I guess we'll get back to you when we get to the wreckers. Say bye then. Alright guys, so a lot of you have been asking for an update on this area. Somebody came back and cleared this that same day that we filmed the video, so...
Oh, and look, there's another one.
And there's another car, well...
That's a lot deeper.
how did that one get through?
I'm not doing that today, that's a lot
no.
deeper.
We also haven't got out and locked the hubs yet, we're too lazy.
Yeah. But the path is now clear, so that's good.
I mean, it's still annoying that there's another one, but...
At least it's sort of more out of the way.
yeah, but it's still not nice that people are putting these cars out here. Oh well. Anyway, yeah, we're on our way back to... we're on our way to the wreckers now, so... let's get back on track. We had to stop in at the bush because we're hopeless and like mud. Oh, Josh took his canopy off, by the way. It looks a lot better. This is where Josh will get stuck because he hasn't got four-wheel drive on.
She'd be right. She won't be right, we're stuck. If I just... let's do it backwards, I'm gonna put it in gear. Thought I blew my diff then, or something.
I would have laughed so hard.
We're balanced on two wheels.
Enjoy putting the hubs in.
Oh no. I was getting a bit sticky. Oh no, we're not balanced on two wheels. But, good shot though.
I just realised we were trying to be speedy so we could beat the rain.
Yeah, well, it rained in the morning like it said it wasn't going to, so...
Fuck it.
Please don't be stuck. Okay, good. I'm getting up this. Maybe not. Okay, well, at least.
Almost lost an arm holding the camera out for that. And out he gets again. The viewer just got slapped by a tree.
Even that proper experience.
That's it. Oh. I just headbutted the fucking door. Boing. I don't know why I ducked out of the way of that. I thought it was just... Yeah, she'll be right. that's alternator eater.
I mean, it's definitely been filled in a little bit, but...
That's the hole that ate the Hilux's alternator, just so you guys know.
And the courier got through with no worries.
4 hours of going back and forwards, yeah, but don't go in that hole.
Why?
It's a lot deeper than it looks.
Okay. Wreckers, the Taragos are down there. Oh, someone's dropped it, I think. Oh no.
No, we jacked up the auto one.
That's right.
Auto.
Yeah, the tailgate up down there. I left Max's hammer here last time, and we did check the, I don't know, the yard tools. We checked the yard tools box, and it wasn't in there. So we're either going to be very lucky, or the person we just heard hitting things has our hammer. Because he's down this way. So it's either... Okay, so is it going to be here? Alright, so far, no. Rip. It's gone. Rip. We're going through this junker. We thought there was an auto Tarago here, and we thought it was the one we took the diff out. Turns out we took the diff out of a manual Tarago.
No.
That's a manual.
That was the original one.
Oh.
I took it out of the one that was here.
Right. But anyways,
Which
what'd you just find?
The hammer's missing.
What'd you just find?
I found a tractor flat.
We're gonna try and make it work on the Tarago. You're welcome.
No.
For fuck's sake. It won't come off.
Do you want to show the camera exactly what part we're missing?
Oh, yep. Is it recording? Right. So, where are we? Fucking up here. So we're missing the nut, the washer, the bush, and the washer. It's been a prick to come off. Come on, focus. Because it's probably never been off before. And it just wants to spin. Like so. I'm going to try and get some vice grips up there to try and clamp it together and put some pressure on it. I might just try and push it up. I don't know. I've got to work it out, but it's annoying. So, yeah. So we've got the bits we need. We have a feeling they're just going to tell us to not worry about it, and...
Well, I mean, they might say something about the tractor flat.
Yeah. Anyways, but there's now 2 manual Taragos for us. 2 good gearboxes. We don't. The engines are probably fucking cooked, but we're not planning on putting one of these back in it if we do blow it up.
No, I'll be getting a TCR11 supercharged motor.
Yes.
From the States.
Because we've met a guy who imports the TCR11 superchargers, or the supercharged engines. We never asked him a price because we don't want to know that just yet. But yeah. Should we tickle the AC belt off one of these and just slap it on and see if it works?
Yeah. I mean, it'll be loud, but actually nicer.
So.
Literally just... This shit's all on the way.
Oh, it's too much effort for today. I can't be bothered. I mean, if you want to do it, you can do it, but...
Well, is there just like a tensioner thing I can just... Or is it I have to fucking zip something?
I don't know. Give us a go.
What's that? There's like a wing nut down there.
Right, no, so we've got to get the other belt. There's too much effort. Too much effort. We're not going to worry about it. You know what we should do? We should just put some cable ties around it and see if it works. And then if it works, then we get what we need.
Why don't we just get a belt? Like a waist.
Oh, right.
And just...
And tighten and prick up.
Just get on there and...
Yeah, so... This is the shortest wreckers trip we've ever done, and we don't know what to do now.
Part of me wants to tell them how much for the fucking gearbox is.
Yeah.
But I don't want to pay money.
Yeah.
So the wreckers gave us it for free. We walked up and they said, just get out.
I told you that would happen.
Yeah. So, I mean, it's not anything worth anything anyway, so. Alright, let's fix this fucking van.
God damn it. It's gonna be, it doesn't want to do up. So, we got the shifter bushes in again. We have gears, and we're going to take the van for a frap. One of the dailies is back. Haven't actually seen the van yet, and we thought it would be funny because we're in the area to show them and get their reaction. So what do you think of the van?
Oh my god, Josh, we're taking the camera.
Good, isn't it?
It's very bright. It's very bright. It's good. Can you take that camera off now?
We like it a little bit too much.
We're just wondering, what's your opinion on what we've done to it?
I really like it. I just saw you before. Who is it?
That's our YouTube channel.
YouTube channel, yeah.
What is it?
Our YouTube channel.
Oh, very good.
We actually go drifting on track.
Okay.
Oh, oh my god, wait. Get in!
Fuck me.
Get in!
Oh god.
Where's your local skid spot?
Just lock up.
Hey guys, so it's the end of the day. As you guys saw, the van worked good again, and it's actually going to be getting some control arm work done soon. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike, but tell us why. If you want the chance to win the pocket bike, we're very close to the subscriber goal. Only 100 more to go. And yeah, give the Facebook page a and yeah, thanks for watching guys, see ya.
The loving in my heart won't break in two. I never wanna say that we are through. I'm holding on to what we still have left.